Chang, here's your shamisen. The tuning pegs seem to be holding up pretty good, actually. You can hear the slight buzz. It's quite nice, actually. It's settling down already. And I mentioned on the email that when you're tuning it, don't put pressure here because you've got a join here and a join here. So you want to be up a little bit. It'll take a little while to settle in the tuning, and these instruments need tuning a lot anyway. That's nice. You can hear the sawari, the buzz sound, sympathetically playing, eh? Thanks for the work. Also, while I'm here, I never leave the bridge on the skin when I'm not playing. Right? Quite often on my shamisens, I'll just move it here. And and another way of doing it is to put the strings on this side here and just letting it sit here. Maybe I'll put a bit of tape on it to secure it, but that's how I'm gonna ship it to you. So that way it keeps the pressure off the skin, so you can keep that skin as tight as possible for as long as possible. But otherwise, it's all looking good. So you got the nut going, the kamigoma there. Yeah, and the pegs seem to be functioning fine. Okay.